One is a timer. So how can you create a timer? Is good. So let's start. So first of all, timer dot schedule this property and one every 1 second to code over timer. So time interval is one. Target as a view controller. So as self and selector as objective C method, not user info. So type of optional is question mark. So null value and repeat every 1 second. So repeat boolean is true. So create object is a function and timer call uh, print over date. Date means every today time date in full format date print out, and this selector is a timer code. So run our project, check this every 1 second to call over time, every 1 second call over timer. So this timer to created make some beautiful apps like as watch. So thank you watching this video, like video, share video and subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.